Here's the answer for question 4b. So we want to solve this equation here. So one thing I do want to do is I don't like having fractions, so I want to remove those fractions. So in order to do that, I need to do the opposite. So for example, I've got on the left-hand side, I've got it divided by 5. The opposite of dividing by 5 is multiplying by 5. So I am going to multiply both sides by 5. So then if I do that, that 5 there will cancel out to leave me with a 4x. And 3x times 5 is 15x divided by 8. Now what I want to do is I want to get rid of this divided by 8, and the opposite of dividing by 8 is multiplying by 8. So I'm going to multiply both sides by 8. So then 8 times 4 is 32x on the left equals 15x on the right. Okay. Now what I want to do is I want to rearrange this. So in order to solve it, I need the x's on the left-hand side of the equation and the numbers on the right. So I'm going to leave my 32x there. Now the 15x, that's a positive 15x. We're lazy and don't write the positive, but that's what it means. So when I move that to the other side, it's going to become minus 15x. And if I take that 15x over, then the only thing I'm left with on the other side is 0. So now I can subtract these and say, right, 32x minus 15x, that's going to give me 17x equals 0. And now to solve that, I'm trying to get x by itself. So I want to divide both sides by 17. So they cancel out, and that leaves me x equals, now 0 divided by anything is 0. So there's my solution.